so mad for real, cause I got a bad for real, my bitch is bad for real, so these niggas they mad for real.
Just pulled up to Dollar Tree, finna go up in the place and ask him to have a nerf gun fight, bro. See what happens, bro.
Ready?
Gotta wait in here and wait for a line to go through so I can get to. Asking where tape. I have no idea where that shit is. Oh my god.
For get to? Get to.
It's gonna be like $1.07, bro.
It's gonna be like $1.25. You need tax.
That's what they're gonna say, bro. I promise you. That's exactly what they're gonna say.
It's $1.25. No. I'm telling you. Don't waste your time. Put that shit back. Nothing to be confused about. You just don't have enough money.
Bro, this is taking forever. I've been trying to get my team.
Yo, this side look like a locked character.
I look like what, bro?
You like a locked character.
Is that dark?
Or nowadays. Hold on. Alright. Yeah, this better, this better.
I'm not exactly sure.
Bro, they call me a locked character, bro.
Okay? Yeah. And the second aisle all the way in the back.
You said second off?
Yep, all the way back.
You said second off. I have to get my cup.
You know, 4 in this bitch.
Trying to do something strange for a piece of change.
Hey, you wanna watch the Prince with me? You wanna watch the Prince with me?
Yeah, kick him.
That shit up, bro.
You gotta put me on camera though. That's crazy.
Hey, bro. It was indeed it had to happen.
I'm telling you, bro. What is so here? It's teriyaki chicken, tuna, and turkey. With some Chipotle Southwest, honey mustard, and ranch, lettuce, and jalapenos, nigga. And pepper jack cheese, can't forget that. You feel me? Busted. Black and Jim.
Nah, I'm not gonna lie, I eat the same shit every single time I come here. Since I was young, I would never switch up my sandwich. Hey, I got a question, Greg. How much is it cost to shoot at a lane?
If it's just yourself, it's $23, and if you shoot with somebody and share a lane, it's $19 a piece.
$19 a piece?
Yes, if you bring someone in and shoot with somebody, yeah.
Alright.
Or if it's yourself, it's 23.
Alright. Thanks for the information.
Alright, have a night.
$23, nigga.
$23 for how long? How many shots?
I don't even know, bro. Hold on, I'm gonna call the Odell gun range. No, actually, I need an indoor one, bro.
The next day.
All right, look. So, damn. All right, look. So it's the next day right now, right? And now, actually, it's not even the next day. It's a couple of days afterwards. I'm just basically my brain and taking out everything. So we're on the way to Wisconsin to go to this gun range, and we got hella Nerf guns in the back, right? Because I'm personally scared of real life weapons and territory weapons, and I can't fuck with those. So today we're going to be using Nerf guns, which is safe for kids, and I can shoot some bullets, shoot some targets, show people my aim. So without further ado, let's hop into this shit, y'all, don't we? Yeah. We'll catch you when we get to Wisconsin. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Josiah back up with a YouTube video, guys. Today we are about to do the gun range paint video. So I got a bunch of Nerf guns in my backpack right now. We finna head into this gun range, shoot some targets up, and potentially probably get kicked out. I'm not gonna lie, this is a couple days later, so we'll see if taken out. And where it looks like an ad has just crawled across your screen, I think you should watch this whole entire ad through. Hopefully this ad will help you through your daily life, and you can finally get your daily days to Josiah. So if you could watch the whole entire ad through, please and thank you. Hopefully it'll help you out. Help me out as well. Hit the link in the description. Also, by the way, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe right now, and thank you. Bad at video games? Do you want to go from 0 to 100 real quick? Well, use this product right here called W. Wonderful product. You can make, as you can see, buying customers right here. Wonderful gameplay. As you can see that he just won his Apex fighting match. And I think that you should buy this product. Please and thank you. Use code Josiah Ibrahim for 10% off your order. Please and thank you. It looks like your ad just finished. Hopefully you enjoyed the ad, and hopefully you swipe up and hope you to support the channel. Back to your daily dose of Josiah Ibrahim. Make sure you subscribe. I'm not playing about that. Please and thank you.
Y'all know who the fuck it is, but subscribe to my channel, link in the description.
If you have a felony, do you have a gun of your own? Yep. I'll tell you, if I see any misbehaving out there, you'll be out immediately, okay? Awesome. So, video, and then we will pop up, fill it out for me, and I'll get you over here.
Bro.
Oh, is that the PR? Yeah. I'm about to contest with get banned like the first 5 minutes. I got my strike on me. I'm a felon. Don't nobody need to know that though.
Yo, nigga got past the first phase, nigga. I'm still. Bro, what?
Oh my god. Why is the sensitivity on this so strong?
Nah. The motherfucker say what?
Huh?
What's my address?
How you gonna ask me what your address is? Just to put a regular address.
Like mine or
Somebody else's.
I heard.
On YouTube? Oh, we got the real heat in our backpacks.
Say what?
We got the real heat in our backpack.
No, I'm saying, is that on YouTube?
Yeah, we got the real heat in our backpack.
Oh, they got that heat on there.
Sure.
I was trying to subscribe.
Oh, you want to?
Yeah. Alright, so show some.
Alright, so my OnlyFans.
Oh.
Trying to be Jadian too. Marcus like cousin the fourth.
No, bro, I ain't my own person. I'm my own person. I don't want to club. Actually, I got a couple ideas for him, I'm not gonna lie, but shoot, everybody knows.
Facts, my boy, facts. See, what's up, YouTube?
Yeah.
And what do they need to do with that like button?
Huh?
What do they need to do with that like button?
Oh,
I see.
join the army.
Alright, bro. You gotta get good, bro.
Got it on
You already know. Hit me. Yeah. Two-seater run with your bitch. Butterfly doors on the bench. Running through bands, I'm rich. Everything president tense. I'm on ocean with a bad hoe. Top down, she got fluid out. On the backseat with a stendo. Smoking endo, my jewels out.
Yeah, my god, ammo fuck.
This man's artillery go crazy.
Planted boy, bro.
If we didn't have our headphones on, Joe.
I know this shit about. Stop me.
Go them shells.
How long y'all been shooting for?
They can't hear your ass, nigga.
How long y'all been shooting for?
A couple of years.
Oh, I can see that. Cause that why is that so loud? That's what. Huh?
What?
Why is that so loud?
Well, it's always loud in here. It's just a 9mm. You should hear a rifle in here. That's really loud. It's just really loud because it's an enclosed space. It echoes. All this stuff they have around the top is supposed to absorb it some even.
I don't even want to do this no more. I really don't. I got no ammo left. Right there.
Wrong way, nigga. Wrong way. One shot to tie the game.
Shoot, nigga.
My gun have it have yeah, I'm trying to find it.
Yeah. Yeah?
How your ears feel? Yeah, that shit crazy. Bro, even with the headphones on, that shit was loud as shit.
All right, you got your card?
I ain't never been around a gun before, so I was like, damn, if that's how it is with these, think about how loud that would sound if you didn't have them. You'd be deaf.
All right, that dollar should hit your account within the next 2 or 3 days, business days. So probably around Monday.
You got $1 refund, nigga? Yes.
You drove from St. Paul. I'd save that $1 too. That gas money can cheap.
I got the. So I got the refund. I'm not gonna lie. That wasn't really that. I spent $40 fucking on such an L shit. You finna give my bullets to the fucking. You finna give my bullets to fucking nephew. Can I get 5 guys? Huh? Can I get 5 guys? Can I get 5 guys?
Like the burger or
Like 5 guys. Like I don't know. This is my first time being like these. I just know that so they give out like 5 guys. So like, is that where can I get that? I can't be 6 guys. All right. Don't you guys like use nuts for you guys' food, anyways?
We do have nuts. They're there.
No, like actual like nut. You guys use nuts in your food, right?
No.
For your fries, you don't use nuts. That's what I heard. You guys use peanut oil. You don't use none of that.
Oh, we do use the peanut oil. Yeah, you're right.
So you do use nuts in your food, right?
We use the peanut.
Yeah. Never mind. I guess I can't get nothing because I'm allergic to nuts and I can't have nuts. You know what I mean? But hey, keep up the work though. All right, catch you. Yo, why you so tight? What happened? Why you look mad? I'm not. I say you can't. Y'all serve 5 guys. What did he say? No. I can't be the 6th guy. I was like, y'all say you guys serve 5 guys. We can't serve the 6th guy. And then yeah, we can't. I can't even eat the whole time. Tight shit. My fault. I was on my phone, Joe. But I got you though, cause you staying still though.
I know that you're well aware that you